And I want to say, I have a lot of respect for our women leaders across the country. But if they are used to sponsor violence against the people of Kenya, we shall deal with them the way we deal with the men. Because once you engage in criminal activities, a criminal is a criminal. A man or woman, it does not matter. So if our women leaders want to be spared and to be treated softly, they must keep off criminal acts. Katiguo. Muragwa jiraga kana kage kuja godi kakutha kota mundu mugima. Sindio? So our women leaders, those of you who are betraying our community, will deal with you as traitors. And there is no distinction between men and women. A traitor is a traitor. And Ruto does not mean well for us. So if he is using you because you are a woman leader and you think we shall spare you, we will not. Because there is immense danger for our community. Sisi tunaheshimu viongozi wote na tunaheshimu sana viongozi wa kina mama. And we have great women leaders. Martha Karua, a distinguished woman leader. Jane Kihara is here. Kasheri is here. But these are good women leaders who are doing the right thing for the country. Lakini kama wewe naenda kupanga goons, atituambiwa atituachana na wewe kwa sababu ni mama. Na hao goons hawana huruma na mtu. They were even fighting women, those goons. Wamepangwa na mama mwanamke. Wanapiga wanawake wenzake. And then tunaambiwa ati we spare them. Ati to be soft. How can we be soft on people with rocks? Adomena metea machebe na mathano wali. No, tuweke soft now. You'll be a fool. You'll be a fool. So